Hey guys, BaconsR_epic here. Today we are going to be playing Horrific Housing. Um, Bacon Plays will be joining us as well. Oh, it's Bridges. Okay. Okay. So, alright, so I can officially, nobody can come near me, or else they will lose life. Oh no, she has a gun, she has a gun, she has a gun, she has a gun. Uh-oh. She has a gun! Alright, so, the person who was shooting me with a gun is officially dead. Uh-oh. I got a bad feeling about this. Run, 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 run. Alright, so I think I'm gonna die. Alright. Ow, my head. You now have small head. Alright, we might be able to win. There's only 4 people left. Uh-oh. We're just gonna kill this guy. Okay, there's the other person. Ah! I died! How? Well, I was betrayed. I guess we'll just wait until the next match. Well, then there's 4 people left because I'm dead. Ruh-roh, Reggie. Well, it's just 2 people left. Oh! Wait, did they both die? Alright, so, in the end, nobody won? Okay, so... Oh yeah, someone did win. Alright, so I'm pretty sure it's rapid. Yeah, we're doing rapid. Okay, so... There's Bacon Plays. Alright, let's see if we can make the jump. We made it. Okay, we got Life Stealer again. Bacon Plays tried to kill me, but then I got Life Steal. Oh. No, I fell. I killed another person in the process. Okay, I think I'll do one more round for the video. Hmm. Alright, next round starting. Let's. Ow! Right, so, I'm. I think town. It's too late. I closed it. Okay, we're doing town for our last round. Let's go to the bean store. Must retreat. Alright, egg. I got an egg and I ate an egg. Okay, I guess it like gives me a jump boost. And I don't know if I'm walking faster or not. We're all jumping on a we're all jumping on a the bean store. Alright, so I wonder if I can like jump on somebody's head and I can jump super high. I'm pretty sure this is Bacon Plays. He's invisible and his Among Us creature. My arm! I lost my arm. Oh no, what do I do? Oh my, the Easter Bunny's gonna kill Jetpack Man. Liam, stop this. Bacon Plays. Um, Okay, Invisible Man versus the bunny. Red lightsaber versus blue lightsaber. I'm pretty sure the Easter Bunny literally ripped off every single person's arm here. Alright, I'm hiding. Hopefully nobody finds me. Oh, Bacon Place is officially dead. Okay, so these two people are life linked. Oh, the guy in the house. Oh, he got a jetpack. I think he tried to fly away too. Okay, we gotta go out and we gotta get the presents. Open, open, open. No, I'm alive. I got 2 regen coils. Are you kidding me? Give me something new. Open the present! No, 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 no. Alright, we gotta escape. It's me versus the Easter Bunny! Oh no! I don't think I can beat the Easter Bunny. I'm a penguin! Penguin versus Easter Bunny. I'm pretty sure. Oh no, I'm a zombie! No, I died! Well, I lost to the Easter Bunny. I guess that's gonna be it for the video, guys. Wait. Video might not end. We might battle the bunny boss if I have enough time. I very much want to beat the bunny boss, but I don't know if I have enough time. Hopefully I do. Uh-oh. I guess we gotta, when he opens his little eggshell, we gotta shoot him. I lost half my HP. How did I lose it? Ah! Oh no, 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 no. Okay, I lost a lot of HP there. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to win. Oh no, 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 no. Oh, I died. Okay, I failed miserably. I guess we can spectate Bacon Plays. See if he can win. And he fell off the edge. Well, guys, I guess that's it for the video. I didn't win a single time.